Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Toyota Supra in FR Legends. First, you'll need to choose the right starting vehicle from your garage. Then, we'll dive into customizing its exterior with the iconic body kit, ensuring it looks just right. After that, we'll adjust the performance settings to ensure your Supra drifts perfectly on the track. Finally, we'll add those crucial finishing touches to complete your dream build. To start your Supra build, head to the garage and select the AE86 as your base car. This classic provides the perfect foundation for transformation. Next, access the body kit options. You'll want to find and install the wide-body kit that closely resembles the Supra's aggressive stance. Pay attention to the front and rear bumpers, side skirts, and fenders for that authentic look. Now, let's fine-tune your Supra. Upgrade the engine for more power and adjust the suspension settings to achieve a low, drift-ready stance with proper camber. Select wheels that complement the wide-body kit, ensuring they fill the arches nicely, and choose tires optimized for drifting. Finally, pick a vibrant paint color and add some decals to truly personalize your legendary Toyota Supra. With your Supra nearly complete, take a moment to review all the installed parts and tuning settings. Ensure everything aligns with your vision for the perfect drift machine. Then, hit the track to test your creation, making any final adjustments to the suspension or engine for optimal performance. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals to keep your real-life ride fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.